Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the videos.
See, basically, an administration, what does an administration do? How are we governed? Take us, how are we governed? We are governed by, governance is based on the policies, legislations, right? Policies, legislations that we have enacted for us, the rules and regulations, etc. So basically, the administration tries to do, what is the function that the administration performs? It performs the function called regulation. Right? More importantly, the administration focuses on regulation. Yeah. At the same time, by regulating, it has to create the conditions for a climate for change. So what is development? Society will keep changing. See, every society will evolve. What do you mean by social change? See, every society will revisit itself. See, basic aspect of the most fundamental aspect of any society is values, norms and sanctions associated with them. Social change refers to the societies at every point in time revisiting the values, discarding certain values, amending certain values, or adding new values, acquiring new values. And in accordance with this change, the norms will be modified. In accordance with that, the sanctions will also be modified. Right? So the values will be, new values may be added, existing values may be discarded or deleted, and certain other values can be modified. Accordingly, the norms will change, and accordingly, corresponding changes in the sanctions will also take place. Now, this is inevitable. This is something that is very natural and very slow. It takes time. But why do we have administration? What is the role of administration? The role of administration is to regulate the society and put the society in the path of a structured change in the values, norms, and sanctions of society.